my name is Melissa and I'm going to be demonstrating today how baking soda works and why an acidic component is important to the chemical reaction. A lot of times when we think of baking soda, we picture this science experiment that some of us did in elementary school of the volcano that has baking soda inside, and once the vinegar is added, it sort of erupts out of the volcano. And this does a good job of depicting the chemical reaction of baking soda. However, in this video, I will demonstrate baking soda's role in our kitchen, specifically its role in baking a cake, for example. So when baking soda is added to a recipe, it acts as a chemical leavening agent. Leavening or rising causes baked goods, quick breads, or even pancakes to become light and airy. This figure from our textbook illustrates the difference between a baked good that had a leavening agent added to it and one that did not. So the action of baking soda is possible through an acid-base chemical reaction. Baking soda consists of sodium bicarbonate, and it is a basic alkaline powder that once it reacts with an acidic component, it yields carbon dioxide gases. And this is seen as bubbles throughout the batter or the dough, and it can make the baked goods, airy and porous. So common acidic ingredients that are included in this reaction can be buttermilk, which I'm actually going to be using in my demonstration today, as well as sour cream can be used, lemon juices, even baking powder has an acidic component to it. As well, putting the dough and the batter into the oven can contribute to the leavening of the baked good because heat actually enhances the carbon dioxide gases. Alright, so in this bowl here I have baking soda, and my acidic component is buttermilk. And buttermilk essentially is just skim milk or low-fat milk with bacteria cultures added to it, and it's fermented for a little bit over 12 hours. It's sort of like yogurt in aspect. So I'm going to be adding this buttermilk, this acidic component buttermilk, to our alkaline basic component baking soda. And we're going to agitate a little bit. And it's definitely not as dramatic as the volcano science experiment, but as you can see, we already have our carbon dioxide gas bubbles forming. And this is our leavening agent that's going to make our baked goods rise up and give it that airy, porous texture. Without this leavening agent, or too much of it, can make the baked good rise up too fast and collapse and make it crumbly or stale texture. So that is how baking soda works in the kitchen and why it needs an acidic component such as buttermilk to create these CO2 gas bubbles and give rise to whatever baked goods that you're making. Thank you for watching.